Good morning, our buggies. I've got such a fun activity for you guys today. So, all you need is, you need to go in the garden and get some rocks. You see? Anything in the garden, as you can see, they are nice and dirty. So, before we're gonna paint them, look, you see Teacher Anja's got some blue and yellow, red and white paint, and I've got some googly eyes. If you guys don't have googly eyes, please don't worry, and some glue for the googly eyes. I've got a towel here so that we can dry our rocks after we've washed them. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to put my rocks in the bucket. Oh, and of course a container with some water, guys. Anything you have at home, some tupperware, you put a little bit of water in and you put your rocks in. You see there, guys, look. Whoop. And you wash. So then you can use a sponge to wash if you want. You can also use your hand or a cloth, whatever you have. And you wash your rocks and you wash your rocks. Look, guys, you wash your rocks. Because we want them to be nice and clean before we paint them. Oh, it's going to be so much fun, guys, painting rocks. And wash your rocks. And who doesn't like playing with water? It's so much fun. So you guys can have such a fun time playing with the water and washing these rocks before you start painting. It's 2 activities in one. Okay, wash, 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 wash. Wash, 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 and wash, wash, wash. See, guys? Oh, yes, I want my rocks to be nice and clean. Oh, this one's got a lot of yarn on it. Teacher Anja's making this myself, so that's okay. Okay. Ooh, so dirty, so full of mud. So, then what you do is, you can just put this down, and I'm going to put a towel over here. So then you take your rocks and put it on the towel, and then you dry them, guys, dry them, because we want them to be dry before we start painting them. Dry, 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 dry. Okay, dry, dry, dry. Okay, then we put them on the newspaper. If you use some newspaper, then you don't make the surface that you're painting on all messy on the table or whatever you are using. So, then the fun begins, or the next part of the fun. So, I've got some blue here. I'm going to just paint. And you can paint however you like, guys. You can use all the colors, you can use one color, it does not matter. Because like Teacher Anja always says, it's your special art. And you can make it look however you want it to look. Paint, 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 paint. Take some red, paint, paint, paint. So guys, paint, paint, paint. Oh, it looks so cool already. Paint, paint, paint. Paint, paint, paint. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love it. It's so cool. It's so colorful. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at my colorful little rocks. So if you have some, but you know what you can do also. If you don't have googly eyes, you can always just paint on eyes or draw on eyes with a marker afterwards. So Teacher Anja's just going to show you one with some googly eyes, because then I'm going to call it my rock monster. How cool. So let me take some googly eye. Ooh, Teacher Anja feels like she's going to sneeze. Hi. And I've got some different sizes here. I'm just going to put them there. Okay, the glue is still wet, so it's still very white. But there you can see, and then I've got a little rock monster. But like I said, it's your special art. You do with you what you want with it. You wash, 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 play with the water, wash, wash your rocks. and just paint, make it beautiful and colorful, guys. Such a fun little craft and exercise. I love it. I hope you guys have fun, guys. Bye.